Monday, August 30th. Back in the market we go, everybody. All right, the Dow was down minus 55, NASDAQ plus 136, S&P plus 19. Crypto, 48,591 right now, is up plus 1.21%. Oil, 69.07, VIX 1875 holding. And yeah, again, some of these calls have been really strong. Excuse me. I'm going to go, you can check the other videos. KPLT. I'm not sure if I put that in the video or maybe stock quits. I wrote about it, but I saw this right here, the open gap. This came down. I said, watch for this to move. The bottom of the gap. Anytime you have a gap down, watch for this area right here. 594 to 6. You want it to at least go to the bottom of the gap. That's your number one target. Sometimes they'll go here, then fade. They come halfway. To fully complete this gap fill, doesn't always happen. So you want to take profit. All right. So we're looking at today, though, METX, which is, Meton EdTech X Education Group. Is this a Chinese stock? I did videos on this before. Let me see here. Yeah, it's actually, in Shenzhen, People's Republic of China. All right, so technically, this formed way back in April. Look at this. This was up near 375. Then we came back. A big drop down. Then it got to this retracement level. See, I put top to bottom retracement levels now. It doesn't have to be exactly the bottom. Depends where you're playing it to. I could have made it from here to here. This is a complete one of it all the way down to where it is because this is the highest point it's ever been at. So you can see, look, the 12 retracement is going to be 50% or 12 number. Right down here, 6 is at 23.6 fibs level. So this came down. Right here, I called this in February. Another great call I had. I said, watch for this roll to 3. Check back on my videos. So, and that's another thing. Anyone says you can't predict the stock market. No, of course, 100%. It's like betting on a sports game. One team's going to win or the other. You're not going to be perfect, all the time. But this is different in charts and trading. You can see what it's going to do beforehand. You can see the next moves. When this was doing this and it was stacked, I said, watch for this roll. You have this little gap here, and the market was strong. The overall small cap market was strong. So this made the move here, came back. After that, it faded. Thought it would get over here again, but it didn't. So when things don't work, you get out right away. Just don't sit there. You get out immediately. And this came down. At one, the $1 roll never happened. See, that's where it faked a lot of people out. I thought there'd be a $1 roll. See this? Once this candle develops, you're not even down that much. 7 cents. You get out immediately. It didn't work. People are holding. I'm down thousands, 2,000. There's no reason to be. You got to get out. Now this touches candle here, which is 46 cents. Nice bounce up to 74 cents. And now we're sort of sideways stacked. And this candle today is very good. 3.5 million goodbye. I'm going to straight up stochastics. And excuse me. So look at this. You're out of this big wedge. This is a big, big wedge here. This is going way back. See, once you're out of the wedge and you're going sideways, that's what you want. A sideways move, or it could go straight up. But, any news on this is 69 million float. I don't see no news recently. Insiders own 32%. So, when this was over, see again, the 20 EMAs over the 13 EMA, that is bearish. You got to have a reversal. We're trying to reverse right here. See this? It's very close. It's tight, the EMAs. So, your next move on this, you want to look for the 75 roll, break 75 to $1. That's the immediate target, 75 to $1. And then look at this. Fill this gap to 125, 150. Just go one by one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 targets. Now, we're going to get there? I don't know. No one knows for sure. But I think we can get here, 75 to $1. You have a good straight up stochastics move. Weekly. See this move up. Big waterfall down. Now we're sideways. And I like this, dude. Look at this little move over near 20. 20 is oversold stochastics. 80 is overbought. Anything below 20 you get to extreme levels. You go 15, 10, 5, 0. They'll be, ultra extreme oversold. So this is a very good sign. We're coming up here. And this is a big move down right from 20 EMA has been over to 13 this whole way, which is tough. So, are we going to touch here or one? Is it going to come back down? It's possible you get caught in between here. You'd like to see that to move up. This could take, weeks. Could be over a month for a full move to finally develop on this. A lot of these education stocks have been hammered. Remember, EDU, TAL, the Chinese government cracking down on that. So, the monthly, it's pretty flat right now. It's very oversold. Let me just see here if I have anything else on this. Excuse me. I don't see any. Looking for some algos to give me some buy sell levels. They didn't come up as anything yet. But, target 175.1. Let's see here. Let's see if this can get going here. It looks very, bullish at this point, the setup. I like this, how this is moving here very slowly. Remember to in swing trading, you don't want to jump in when everyone's jumping in. It's more day trading. Get to the party before it started. So if the club is hopping at 12, 1 a.m., get there at 10. That's stock trading. Be there before. You're going to be here, and then one day it's going to be up here, and everyone's going to be chasing. So very bullish in this. Keep watching out for news, anything, stock traders jumping in this. It looks very good. People are already starting to talk about it. So, all right, that's it for METX. Please subscribe to Mike Kimmin Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Let's see what else here. Leave comments. It's always good. Any information about stocks is always positive. Appreciate any feedback. I also have a Patreon, but nothing on it yet. Stock Twits, Mike Kimmin Alerts. Instagram, Mike Kimmin Alerts. TikTok, Mike Kimmin Trades. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Twitch, Mike Kimmin Alerts. Trustzone VPN. I use a VPN out of St. Charles. They don't track your information. They can't trace you. That's what you don't know when getting your information. So check it out. I think it's like 42 for the year. You can use any country, I believe, in the world. And just say right now I'm in Korea. That's what my IP address would come up as. So it's pretty cool. All right, that's it. Peace. And my background is Greece. Look at that. I'd like to be in Greece. Now, who would like to be in Greece? We got to make a lot of money, then we can get to Greece. So, that's the goal of trading. We all want to be rich. Don't look at these traders who are like Lambos. It's all advertising. The goal is to make money consistently, get better and better. And you'll continue to improve. All right, that's it. Peace.